Hello class 9 children. So in part A we have already completed ICT skills, then your self-management skills and communication skills. Now unit 4 is entrepreneurship skills. Now first of all, this is entirely a new unit for you. You must have all heard about the word business. So let me introduce you this topic with the word business. Now what do you mean by business? Business is any economic activity which is related with continuous and regular production and distribution of goods and services for satisfying the human need. So business is basically done by people for their own profit plus for catering to the needs of the society. Now, what is entrepreneurship? Now, before that, I would like to introduce you with the term entrepreneur. Now, entrepreneur is a person who is self-employed and he is willing to take risk and bring an idea to start a business. Basically, an entrepreneur is a person who sets up a business taking on financial risks, and the main goal of himself is profit. Now, entrepreneurship, coming to the same word, entrepreneurship refers to the art of doing business. So entrepreneur is a person who is starting that business, and entrepreneurship is an art of setting up a business. Now, why we are saying it as an art? Because whenever we start a business, first of all, what is the need? First of all, we buy land. We have an idea in our mind that we have to start this type of business. I'll just give you an example. For example, there is an area where there are no hotels or restaurants for the people, but it is a developed area. Only the thing missing in that area is good hotels and restaurants. So what you will be doing if you are planning to start a business? So first you will have an idea in your mind that yes, I will start with a small restaurant and I will cater to the needs of the people living in that area. So you will go there, you will buy a land at a place where you will find the people can come easily. For that, you need money, you need finances that you will be buying from that you will or able to arrange yourself, or you would take a loan from the bank. Now, once you have bought a land, you will build a small cafe first, where you will keep all the things that the people like to eat, and the prices you will keep minimum so that more and more people can come. So slowly and slowly you will find if the food is tasty, the people will enter your restaurant, and these people only will talk to other people about your cafe or restaurant. So slowly and slowly your business will flourish, and one day you will be able to build a big restaurant and later a hotel and all these things. So basically that is why we say entrepreneurship is an art of doing business. Why? Because it not only involves finances and profit. Before that, a lot of patience, a lot of hard work is required by the person. It is an art because first of all you have an idea, then you put that idea into action, and it is your individual initiative. So basically entrepreneurship is an art of maintaining the business, and basic idea is gaining profit from the available resources. Along with that, you are fulfilling the needs of the people living in that area. So children, today I have just started that what is entrepreneurship, the introduction of it, who is an entrepreneur, and the definition of entrepreneurship. Now, yes, tomorrow I'll be discussing more about this topic, that what are the various functions, the roles of entrepreneur. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.